a bag full of spooky sweets. On Halloween night, the streets were full of spooky sights. Ghosts, goblins, and witches walked by. Even a tall skeleton and a beautiful bride were there. The skeleton and the bride walked up to a big, friendly house. "I hope they have good candy," said the bride. The doorbell chimed, and the door opened slowly. A kind person opened the door and smiled. "Trick or treat," shouted the skeleton and the bride. They held up their bags, hoping for something sweet. Their bags started to get full of yummy candy. They saw other children in funny costumes, like a big round pumpkin and a silly green alien. Some houses looked a little scary. They had spooky decorations and made funny noises. But the skeleton and the bride were brave. They knew it was all just for fun. They walked and walked, going from door to door. Their bags got heavier and heavier with all the candy they collected. "This is the best Halloween ever," said the skeleton. Soon, it was time to go home. They were tired but very happy. They couldn't wait to look at all their candy. "Look at all this candy," said the bride. There were chocolates, lollipops, and all kinds of sweet treats. Their mom came in and said, "Don't eat too much at once, or you'll get a tummy ache." She smiled and gave them each one piece of candy. The skeleton and the bride knew their mom was right. They brushed their teeth and got ready for bed, dreaming of all the yummy candy they would enjoy for days to come.